How to connect Uniswap to Trust Wallet. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. In the search bar, search for app.uniswap.org. It will land you on this interface. If you click on Connect at the top right corner, you won't be able to see any of the option of Trust Wallet. If you want the Trust Wallet option to appear, then what you want to do is open up this site in your PC. In the PC, if you click on Connect, the Trust Wallet option will appear here. All you want to do is click on it and connect it. The next thing you want to do is launch the Trust Wallet application on your device. Enter your login credentials and then sign into your specific account. Once you have been signed in, at the bottom right corner, click on Browser. Here in the search bar, you need to search for Uniswap. It will open up the web browser. Click on the very first site and then click on Launch App. Once you click on Launch App, the Uniswap will be connected to your Trust Wallet account and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can connect Uniswap to Trust Wallet. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you find this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.